Welcome to Imagination Story Station.
Jan for the months, Jan and a Y. January. January, snowflakes fall in New Year's cheer. January starts the year. February. February, hearts and love are all around. Valentines can sure be found. March. March, windy days and sky so blue. Springtime buds are popping through. April. April, raindrops fall and puddles splash. Raincoats on, we make a dash. May. Flowers bloom and bees go buzz. We play outside without a fuss. June. Summer starts and skies are bright. Sun and fun from day to night. July. Picnics, fireworks, so much fun. We wave our flags and dance in sun. August. Summer ends, school's coming near. Time to get our backpacks here. September, leaves start changing, school bells ring. We learn and laugh and everything. October, pumpkins, costumes, spooky sights. Candy treats and fun-filled nights. November, thankful hearts and cozy meals. Sharing how each person feels. We learn and laugh at everything. December, snowy days and lights so bright. Holiday magic, joy and light. Let's cheer the months from Jan to Dec. 12 whole months, let's not forget. Clap your hands and shout with cheer. We love each month of the year.